Hello, everyone. I want to welcome you to another episode of the Marquie Money Talks YouTube channel. Today, I want to discuss some of the things that are coming up in October. You have a few stock splits from companies like Charles Schwab, the SCHD, and I think it's the SCHG. Their ETFs are going to have 3-to-1 stock splits and 4-to-1 stock splits. They're also going to be raising their dividends, so you're going to get paid more off the stock that you have. So like if you have one share, that one share is going to be 3, and instead of making dividends off of one share, you're going to be making dividends off of 3 shares or 4 shares, depending on which one of the ETFs that you're currently invested in. And so that's going to be a great opportunity for this month. But one thing I look forward to in October is I always say the important things when it comes to investing is learning. And as long as you're continuously learning, then you can continuously be successful on the market. And even as long as I've been investing, I'm still learning things and new things every day. Like I wasn't aware that September is the month when the entire market is usually down. And so now that I know this, then I can use that towards my favor, when it comes to selling put options and buying put options, because I can make money as the market starts to go down. So now I can add that to my plans for next year when September hits, to go ahead and start, buying a lot of puts in a lot of industries that's typically down in September. Now, October, one thing I typically notice about October is the transportation industry. That's usually when the transportation industry hits its 52-week low for the year, which is usually the last week of October and the first week of November. So that's the time when I will be loading up on puts to make money as the transportation industry goes down. Stuff like airlines, hotels, cruise lines. October is typically hurricane season, so there are a lot of cruises that won't be taking place. There's a lot of flights that'll be canceled and stuff like that. So I use that as an opportunity to build wealth and build my account by buying put options. And if you don't know how to invest in options, then I suggest you watch my videos. I have 3 videos on the channel about investing in puts and in calls. And there are some other strategies too that I'm learning about, that I'll be posting as soon as I get the opportunity to get the information down, because I like to teach the things that I know and have experience in, and not just throw a bunch of information out there. So I got some things that I'm testing right now when it comes to calls and puts in the market. So I've been the last week or so, I've been making some good trades on put options on the airlines. So I've been buying them, and then as they go down, I've been able to sell them the next day. And my ultimate goal is to become a full-time day trader. And if you don't know about day trading, you need about $25,000 in your account, and then you can make multiple trades throughout the day without being penalized. So you can make $5, $10, $15, $20,000 a day, just depending on the moves that you make on the market and how the market moves in that particular day. And then just catching the stuff when it trends, because I'm still learning the charts. So what I do now is I just follow the trends. I watch the stock. I see when it's going up, because the thing about the market is things will go up and then they go back down. They'll go up and they'll have a nice little run, and then people will start pulling profits. So they'll start selling the stock off and causing the price to go back down. So when I see people are pulling profits, then I go ahead and buy put options so that I can make money as the stock go down. And then once I see the stock bottom out and start heading up again, then I start buying call options. And I basically call that momentum trading, and that's my word, not the market's word, because I'm going on the direction of the market at that particular time until I get the charts down. And learning to read the charts will tell you a better story of which direction the stocks are going. So I'm slowly but surely educating myself on that. And this week has been this past few weeks has been real good for the Chinese markets, because the Chinese are starting to put a lot of money back into Chinese companies. So I think they're giving the Neo $4.7 billion by the end of the year. So I've been able to hit me a few nice little old trades on Neo this week. And I still have some positions for next week. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that's going to pan out. But it's just a lot of opportunities in the market right now, especially October, making money off of puts on like the cruise lines and the airlines. I was looking at Royal Caribbean right now. They're almost $200 a share. They getting up there. They like $170 some a share, almost 180. But they typically at the end of the month around like $80 to $100 a share. And so buying put options on them, you can spend $200-300 on the put option and end up making $4,000 or $5,000 back. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just explaining some of the things that I'm looking at in the market. I'm not telling you or advising you to buy anything in particular. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So if you're entertained by making money, then I suggest you go look at some of the things that I'm talking about and do your own research. Don't just go by what I say, or don't just go by what the news say. Pay attention to what's going on. People ask me, how do you do research on the market? And I just use the resources and tools that are available now. Like you have Yahoo Finance. I get a lot of information off of Yahoo Finance. I go to Moomoo. If you don't have Moomoo, they have some real good news and stuff like that on the market and different tools that you can use to invest. And you also, if you open an account, you also get I think right now they're giving 30 shares of stock or something like that. They got a real good promotion going on right now. I have to look at it again because they keep adding more and more stuff. But I'll post a link in the description and a link to some other things as well. I just signed up if you need help with your credit growing. I just signed up for Ava. And I've been liking Ava. In less than 2 weeks, I've already started seeing a change in my credit score. And so I'm rebuilding my credit because I had a few hang-ups the last couple of years when just, life happens, And so I had gotten sick and I wasn't able to take care of my business. So I had to basically shut down my business and start over. And so I've been using Ava. So I'll post a referral link to that. And then lately I've been looking at purchasing gold and silver, and because the American dollar is not backed by anything physical like gold. They took gold off they took the dollar off the gold standard, so the dollar isn't measured against anything. And now these other countries are starting to realize how invaluable the American dollar is. And so they're coming up with a global payment system called BRICS. And they're going to be using that in the place of American money to try to get away from pretty much dealing with, Western ways. And so in the future, I believe that gold, silver, and Bitcoin are going to be the dominating currencies, for worldwide. So I opened up an account with Kinesis Money, and I've been doing research on them. They have a very good program. So if you haven't checked that out and you're interested in buying silver and gold, I think they're going to be a good company to make that purchase with, because they will hold your silver and gold in their vault. So you don't have to worry about getting insurance and all that kind of stuff to cover your assets. And then they give you a virtual card that you can use to spend your gold, your silver, or your crypto. And you can also, if you want to actually have the physical gold or silver sent to you, then you can actually have it mailed to you through the app. But I just think it's just more convenient just having it all on the card, that you don't have to worry about keeping tracks with the physical assets. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm also going to leave a link to my new Twitter account. It's called Marquie Money. is going to be the official Twitter account for Marquie Money Talks. And we're going to be doing some new things with the show pretty soon. And next year we're going to start doing giveaways and stuff like that, and having little contests and offering different tools to help you become a better investor. I'm putting together a program to kind of introduce you into investing if you're new and want to know where to start and how to do this, that, and the other. I'm putting together a little course right now, and I do have one-on-one training as well. So I'll put that link in the description through Clarify. And I believe that's all I'm going to cover today. So you guys have a good weekend. Happy investing. And I hope you're looking forward to Monday as I do. I look forward to Mondays because that kind of dictates the week and let me know, how I'll be able to make my money for the week. I love Mondays and hate Fridays when it comes to investing, because Friday is the end of my road and the end of the week, and then I can't make any more money. Just seeing how I'm able to just, get money every day on the market it's like an exciting game, and I just love it. And so, the more successful you become, the more freedom you have, and the more you can enjoy life. So I'm hoping that the information I share on this channel allow people to have more freedom, more financial freedom, and not have to depend on jobs and not have to depend on money and stuff like that to be able to live the life that they want to live. So that's going to be all for this show today. This is Marquie Money Talks. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel. We're trying to grow and see if we can get 1,000 followers by New Year's this year. And just like I said, we have some new things coming to the channel soon, so just stay tuned for that. And I have a few more videos with a little more information that I'm going to be doing pretty soon. So everybody have a good weekend and get your plan together for Monday.